Good evening, everyone, from Houston, Texas. It's Game 2 in the best-of-7 first-round series. The Houston Rockets and the Minnesota Timberwolves at the NBA playoffs on TNT Round 1, presented by Hulu. In Game 1, the Rockets beat Minnesota by 3. Hi, everyone.
Gerald Green. Green light. I don't need no stinking assist. Teague matched up with Gerald Green. Good cutoff by Gerald. And Gerald blocks Rose. There's a three-pointer miss. Crisp with the rebound. Gives it up to Gerald. Gerald puts up a three and hits it. And Gerald Green is on fire with 6 points. And the Rockets on an 8-1 run. To take over, the Rockets have been on a nice little run now. And Gerald Green's been the reason. And he continues to be the reason. And finally, it's saved by Ariza. From the corner, Gerald Green! He is on fire!
Green light, the ball's kicked out to him. Sometimes you can be at the end of the play, and it's better because you get the open shot.
12 seconds. It's Harden again. Inside to Nene, back outside to Gerald. Gerald fires away and hits. 2:12 left to play. Rockets with the lead. See if somebody can hit one here. There it is. Gerald to the bucket for 2.
Green light, when you can shoot the three.